do a hoop like this. Yeah, it's coming out. See, it's very consistent. No flats. It's very minimal of flat. Like I say, probably twice the material thickness.
Yep.
You can hardly notice it.
Very good radius. And perfectly consistent.
Pretty consistent. You can see the finish of the material.
Yeah. And because the rolls are so clean, the finish isn't marred at all.
Don't make any marks or any lines or anything like that.
Doesn't tear the plastic.
Yeah. However, if the plastic got some shavings or whatever, it's going to photograph the fade.
Yeah.
So you gotta clean your material.
Yeah. Material has to be
Obviously,
cleaned
this
as well.
material wasn't clean, you know. But other than that, you can see that the surface is very clean. It produced very consistent results.
Very good. Thank you very much.